Okay, so what is up, you guys? Today, y'all been confused over what a butterman is. This type of boat you can make in this game, and basically, I'm here to show you how to make one of them. So, alright, here we go. I'll start off with this block. Now, yeah, you need this thing in order to make it. So, otherwise, if you don't have it, it won't work. Now, you put a chair over here. That's what I recommend doing. Delete it, and then it will bring you to perfect position. Then what you do is you cover yourself with butter. When you try to move, it won't affect your body, so that's good. There you go. Now, once you press launch, you can see yourself floating randomly. And that means you've activated the glitch. So then, for example, I'm not gonna fly all the way up. No. Okay, that's weird. Right now, you can just speed run all the way here. Just hold W and it'll do all the job for you. Though, try not to get too far. Because it's pretty complicated trying to land. We're gonna land. And once you're at the right position, just eat your butter. But I don't recommend doing it now because I'm gonna die. Ah! Okay, yes. Mwahaha. My evil plan worked, but at the same time, it's not. How in the? Okay, you eat your butter. Oh God. And sometimes you need to get all the areas done. If you don't, this will happen. You just die. So I don't really recommend doing the butter trick. I recommend doing that last trick I showed you in the last episode. Now, I'm gonna show some more tips and tricks. Did you know? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna spawn a random thing. Okay. So how is this? Oh no. How about this? I'll spawn one of my things. Black. Okay, you see? Okay, how is this thing right over here? This thing. You see that? What you do is what you can do is with the screwdriver tool that you get, you select all. Now you can turn the collision off. So if I try to walk through them, I can't walk through. I mean, you can still sit on the seats, but you can't walk through. Cast shadows, like if you want to make them see a shadow, like this. Anchor. Well, it's not really that useful. Transparency is the best part. You can keep on clicking it, and your boat's gone. Though you can still activate everything, including the cannon. Now, let's get into more basics. Something more advanced. You know what I mean? Okay, let's just spawn this random thing. Helper. Go away. Now, what you gotta do. This is a building thing you can do. Ready? What you can do is you can. Okay, you know what? You wanna what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a man. A weird, the oddest looking man, like a humanoid. Alright. But there's a twist. We're gonna put this and this. What we're actually gonna put here is a butter twist. Boom. Bam. Bravo. You're gonna get something very weird once you done that. Now what you do is You put a block like this. It will kind of ruin the whole point. But trust me, this is very OP. It can make your blocks wiggle. Like, for example, it will make them come alive. That's what I'm trying to say. Alright. So, then... Okay, hold on guys, I'll be right back. Guys, charging my thing. Okay guys, I'm back. Now, what you can do is, what I recommend doing, you don't have to do it, I recommend, is putting this. Okay? Now what, now, the last thing you need to do, or don't follow what I'm doing, you don't need to make the brick. I'm just using the brick. Now, delete that. Now once you're on top here, oh, my mouse is acting up. Oops, sorry about that. In the airplane, I don't know what that is. There. Delete. Let's delete it. Add it back to know where its subject is. Are you ready? Have a hunt. You know, hunt. Save. All right. Now, look at the blocks that are in the leg. You see it moving a little? Yeah. All right. Okay. You can also do this. Make your boat fly like Superman. This is not really a glitch though. It's like a thing, it's a thing you can make. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.